August 27, 2010. Team SB is on our way to Manawag. It's one of the most popular religious destinations or pilgrimage here in the Philippines.
Malayo pa ba?
Malayo pa. Kanina pa kami yung 6 o'clock. Hindi naman alam ko nasa na kami.
7:30 na.
7:30.
Yeah.
The ride to Manawag from Mga Tarem took roughly 2 hours. Everyone took the opportunity to snooze and prepare. After that 2-hour ride, we finally arrived at the shrine. The first sight to behold? Stalls selling various items, including delicacies and religious relics, abound the parking entrance. Entering the parking space, it was so green, clean, quiet. The atmosphere seems to prepare you for meditation. First-timers are naturally excited.
It's my first time here na pumunta sa Manawag, kaya I'm so excited na. At saka, kilala to diba na parang religious destination sa Philippines, kaya ayun.
So para tayo nagpi-pilgrimage dito.
Those who frequent the place naturally have something to say as they reminisce.
Hi. Ewan ko kailan yung last time na pumunta kami dito, pero marami nang bago. Dating food court to dati mga 5 months ago.
5 months ago?
6 months ago. Tapos eto, wala yung dati to. Walang CR dati. Saka wala yung statue doon. Marami nang bago eh. Ayun. Pansin ko lang.
A beautiful oval cove served as a place for candle offering. A few people were already there, deep in their thoughts. Before hearing Mass, we opted to buy candles.
Ngayon ako magtatanong.
Kailan pa naging automated dito?
And interview some falls.
Ano po, ilang taon na po kayo nagtatrabaho dito? Tsaka po, ano po yung sa trabaho dito para ano yung
nagawa ng Manawag?
nagawa ng Manawag?
Dito na lang. Kasi kumunti ang tao.
But since that happened, we decided to just light our candles, and offer our own prayers.
Gusto nang mag-iring ng kandila. Hindi natin inaalay yung prayers natin sa Lord. Special someone natin, family, lahat. Minsan din may pansin natin dito. Ika. Ito. May prayer before the lighting the candle. Minsan yung mga turista, parang guide sa kanila.
Usually, maraming tao dito. Since it's Friday, medyo konti pa rin yung mga nandito, kaya naghintay na pa kami ng maraming tao na pumunta dito sa Manaoag Church.
There is a tradition here that just before each Mass, the priest blesses vehicles of pilgrims. After the blessing, the owner of the vehicle is supposed to drop any amount as a donation in a drop box. Then, transfer the vehicle to the parking space for pilgrims.